What's up guys, it's Cody. So for this week's video I'm going to be reviewing the SparkMaker resin 3D printer. So a real background on this printer. It was originally launched on Kickstarter I believe, and then later moved to ogadget.com, which is a Chinese type electronic company, and that's when I bought mine, or 3D Print Technologies. So this one, the SparkMaker, and another company's 3D printer called the Bean, appears to be the two cheapest SLA printers currently on the market. So I reviewed this one. So now I'm going to start with the hardware, and then move into the software, and then comment about it some. Okay, so for this Kickstarter campaign, or the campaign that was on, this is supposed to be the most affordable resin printer on the market currently. It's the SparkMaker 3D printer. It only prints in resin. This 3D printer is made by Wow, I think is the company what it's called. It was originally on Kickstarter, but then it moved to its own website called ogadget. That's when I bought it. So I was able to get a first print out of it, which you saw in the setup video. It printed two prints at the same time, which I don't know why. But I'll wait for the software part of this video before going into that. So as I saw in the setup video, some of the hardware it has this red UV protection case top for it. It only has one jack on the back. It's for the power outlet. That has one knob to control, and USB port, micro USB port down here, and that's for loading the files onto the printer, which only prints WOW files. So here's the resin tank. This gasket removes off. I have seen a few people replace this gasket with custom made ones because it leaks somewhat like this. So, and this right here, you can loosen up and adjust to rubber the plate along with these screws. So some of the things I found out while using it is that you want to have it in the place you're going to print with before you put the resin in, or it's going to leak out the insides. And the resin is sticky, so it's hard to get off once it leaks. That is partly the reason why I have it in a food container tub plastic thing. Also, make sure you plug the power outlet into the printer, then into the wall or outlet first. Because if you don't, and plug it into the wall or the outlet and then into the printer, it's going to spark literally. But on this one in particular, I found when I plugged it in, sometimes it wouldn't come on, and I have to lift the side up like this, and it will somewhat come on. So this is the resin it uses. Unlike with FDM or filament based printers that use this type of filament, this is what SLA or resin printers use. This one is, I don't know if you can see it, but right here it says LCD-T, which means toughness. There's 3 different ones it comes with, or you can buy the T, one's a W, I think the other one's an N. This one was the cheapest one out of all 3, but it was definitely expensive. I think this was $40 or $50 a bottle. So now to the software. It's not the best. I like to use AstroPrint and use this one. First of all, I do not think you can use Cure, AstroPrint, Simplify 3D, or any of the other top name software for this slicing software for this printer, since it is relatively new. If you guys do know a good slicer use of resin or SLA printer, leave a comment down below. But this software is all in Chinese except for the file top header menu piece, which I'll show you a clip of in just a minute. So on that clip I just showed, you can tell that the main interface is all in Chinese, and that screen was the main interface for the software. But as you could see in the unboxing and setup video, I did get to print once, and did print with 2 objects instead of 1. And that object was with one of Gadget or SparkMaker's in-house designs. I couldn't get to print with a Thingiverse file, if you will. But the issue I'm having with it right now is that when I go to import a in-house designed file, that it won't show up on the slicer or do anything with it. It's just a blank screen with no further actions. You can see it tracking the layer by layer, but after that you can't do anything with it, which may just be a Macintosh version issue with it. So I'm going to try the software out on a Windows computer later on this month sometime. But there have been other issues with it, as well as the gasket ring around the resin mentioned earlier. So I think this was a good shot at making an affordable resin printer. It's not totally out of the game like the new Matter is now. They could release more software updates, or maybe some upgrades like a better resin holder for it, which is feasible, so you'll have to buy a new printer. But the way it stands right now with the Macintosh software and some of the harder upgrades that need to happen, like a more safe plug-in, better resin tank holder, etc. I'd probably say this printer is just for the pros right now, since it is so complicated to use. And I probably wouldn't buy it. If you're looking for a good SLA printer, I'd save up and get like a Form 2 or Autodesk M-board, which is really more expensive, but the quality and the reliability is there, unlike in this one. If you like this video and want to see the latest videos first, make sure you click subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys next time.